Hello, class. My name is Andrew Joseph from the Aga Khan University. So here, today, we are going to study or learn about conclusion. What is a conclusion of a research proposal? So when you want to know or to understand the concept of conclusion, we have to ask ourselves about what is the conclusion of a research proposal. So the first thing here we can understand is that conclusion is a combination of essential ideas. Also, it is where you suggest new possibilities for new studies. And also, it is where you restatement of your research proposal. So conclusion is very essential because it's also a judgment or a summing up of an essay or research proposal. We can ask also ourselves that how to write a conclusion for research paper. There are some 5 stages or steps that we can use in order to write a good conclusion. The first one is to restate your research topic. Second one is to restate the thesis. And the third is to summarize the main points of the essay or research report. The fourth step is to state the significance of results. And the last one is to conclude your thoughts. You need to conclude your thoughts in order to put an idea together so that you can show the main point of a study or a research. Another step here or stage is what is the main purpose of a conclusion? Anything you do, you might have the main purpose of doing it. So here, the main purpose of doing a conclusion, it is your final chance to summarize the key ideas and what you have said about and make your perceptive and comprehension of the topic. So this one is the main purpose of writing a conclusion. Before completing or ending up our session, we have an activity to do. In the conclusion below, which sentence describes the suggestion of new possibilities of new study? So here, there is a sample or an example for a conclusion. We can read it. In conclusion, guided ICBT has the promise to be an effective and potentially cost-effective alternative and complement to face-to-face therapy. More studies are needed before firm conclusions can be drawn, but the findings to date, including this meta-analysis, clearly show that guided ICBT is a treatment for the future. This was part of a certain research or study, and the conclusion was written like this. So can we show, as we have gone around, about the sentence that describes the suggestion for new possibility for new study? Okay, so here, the statement or the sentence here, starting from here, more studies are needed before firm conclusions can be drawn. But the findings to date, including this meta-analysis, clearly show that guided ICBT is a treatment for the future. So I think what I've brought to you today is now completed. So I can briefly say that it is the end of our presentation. Thank you very much for your listening.